Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. Let's begin. So once you open up Amazon on your web browser, you are going to go to the section where it says account and lists. And then under the heading which says your list, you're going to select create a list. So it says here lists and registries. You're going to scroll down a bit and then you're going to select create a list. So now we're going to give our list a name. So I'm going to call it gaming list. Use lists to save items for later. All lists are private unless you share them with others. So we're going to select create. Now, if you want to add more additions to your wish list, you can go to the right side here and then select more. And then you can select manage list. So you can also change the list name again if you want to. Do you want to make it private or shared? So you can also select shared there because since we're going to be sending it to someone, make sure that it is on shared. So Alexa can add items to your list. Do you want Alexa to add items to your specific list, your wish list? If not, then you're just going to go to don't manage this list through Alexa. Then it says here, this list is for who? Okay, you can add an organization or you can select you, then the recipient, me, and then you can enter the email address, birthday, and then the description, and then select save changes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look for some products and then add it to our list. So I'm going to say iPhone. And then we're going to go to the right side here and then look for our list. So it says there, add to list. So you're going to use the drop down option. Then I'm going to see my list. So remember I called it gaming list. So here it is. And just currently in private. So there, one item added to your gaming list. Now, if you want to continue shopping, you can go to the right side here and select continue shopping. And if you want to view what's in your wish list, you just click on view your list. And then if you want to send this list to other people, you can just go to this option where it says send list to others. So it says there, invite someone to view only and to view and edit. So let's say view only. And then you can invite them by email or copy the link and then send it through social media. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.